Really?
There you go.
You're not gonna do it anymore?
There he goes.
That's so good. Yum yum. Oops. He's so freaking
No,
cute.
don't eat that stuff. That's the chemicals. No.
No, ducks pee in there. Yeah, that's good. Good stuff. He likes squirrel. Oh. Wow.
So
Yummy.
I was trying to get pictures too. I couldn't get it.
Gum, gum, gum. You're so freaking cute. Yeah, you are.
In the summertime, like when it was warm this summer, it was like sleeping with Darth Vader.
Oh, you want to kiss me? You want to kiss me?
It's like sleeping with Darth Vader. So we feed him a bowl of ice cubes before we go to sleep, and he's fine.
That's where the real nice ice is. What?
Oh, he'll jump up.
Oh my gosh. He's a climber.
And look, if you look at his paws, they kind of fan out when he's in the snow.
Yeah.
Usually they're tight, but when he's on the snow, you'll see his paws will fan out, see?
Yeah, like
doing
he's
that on
going on
purpose.
to it. Oh, these lights too. So freaking cute. Buy one for me.